State asigi amata ngairaba handloom and handicrafts asi cultural tradition ama oiba khaknatana competitive industry ama oiduna furup singi Mapangal Kankhat-Hanba haibasi Leingak asigi Pandamni haina Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goel na phongdokrai. Ngasi Imphal District ki Palace Compound Laiba City Convention Center da Directorate of Handloom and Textile na sinduna threads of tradition weaving culture through handlooms haiba hiramda National Handloom Day Inglisingani kun manga gi thoramda phongdok Pangthokre, Thoramadu Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goel na makha taraduna, lamdamasi ngalingai matamdagi hauna, handloom and handicrafts ki oiba, tradition kayaga loina duna lakli. Lamdamasigi top topa fisa lon sage tradition asina social amadi cultural identity da sauna mafamama kanduna lakli. Kundaminari ba furup singi traditional dress asina amuka hena lamdamasibu malem gi thakta saktak libani lamdamasigi miyoi lag ani makhai henbana handloom worker oiduna tongan ba design chartret yangkhai amadi handicraft makhal kuntaruk hena puthokli hairiba sing asida Leingak ki mating pithanana ba tongan ba khongtang khaya Ministry of Textile ga khusamnaduna paikhatli haike Thoramadu National Handloom Development Project ki makhada Senapati District ki Lairokchingda Small Cluster Development Project amasu Chief Secretary masamakna online ki khuthangda launch tawkhe. Thoram gi manung channa lamdamasigi tongan ba district kayadagi cluster singi handloom gi pothok sing utpa stall taramari hangdokhe. Urkol District ki manung chanba nungbi village tagi kumja Inglisingani kulhumdoi kunmari da Padma Shri Award phanglakraba Machihan Sasha amasung State Awardees of Handicrafts Inglisingani kulhumdoi kunmaribu mana mathumpi tuna ikai khumnaba utkiba thawramaduda Manipur Threads of Heritage Hands of Prosperity haiba short film amagaloinana From Loom to Legacy Craft Story of Manipur haiba lairik amasu phonghi Modernization of Handicrafts Inglisingani kulhumdoi kunmarigi outstanding oikraba miyoi singda sel ki tengbang kayasu yenthokhi
The weaving traditions of Manipur are deeply embedded in our social and cultural identity. From the vibrant Farnik, the elegant Moirang Fi to the intricate Wang Ke Fi, each product is not just a piece of fabric but a narrative of heritage passed down generations. Over 2.5 lakh handloom workers, majority of them women, contribute to this vibrant sector in our state. Their skills and dedication have earned Manipur a well-deserved place on the national handloom map. Our objective is to make handloom not just a cultural tradition, but a thriving competitive industry that empowers families and communities. When we empower a weaver, we not only preserve our heritage, but also weave stronger communities, resilient economies, and a proud future. Thank you. Jai Hind.